Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Camille. I want to say thank you all for being here. Today I'll be working on a 16-inch round canvas and I'll be using all ready-mix pouring paint. And that very first color that I showed you is beautiful blue, cerulean blue, and it's all ready-mix pouring paint, guys. I'm just pouring straight from the bottle. And then what you're gonna see me do, I will be doing a background, and then I want to do like a straw blowout on top of this background. I really do hope you guys enjoy the video, and of course, you know what, subscribe if you haven't done so as yet, guys. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. That other beautiful blue right there is a phthalo blue, another beautiful deep shade of blue, and now I'm adding some bright blue on top of that. I'm just trying to do like a gradient of colors, and I'll be just mixing and blending using the blow dryer. Here I'm using a metallic white, and like I said, guys, these are all ready mix pouring paint. You don't need to go mixing anything, just pour straight from the bottle. I haven't been able to create anything recently, and I just wanted to just do something fast for you. That's violet. It's another beautiful shade and I'm just loving it, guys. Next I'll be using this is turquoise. I'm just pouring, then of course I'll be using my blow dryer to blend the colors out. I know I mentioned that earlier. Here I'm using this is an aqua green, and it is just beautiful. I was really excited to try this, and of course I'll be adding some pink, just a bit of pink to add some contrasting colors here and there. And yeah, super excited. Do hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up. And of course, guys, I will see you for the close-up of the wet result and the dried result. So don't go away. I'll see you at the end. Alrighty, here it is, the close-up of the wet result. I'm just wondering if you guys were like screaming at me and say, hey Camille, don't do it. Don't go adding the orange and that yellow and spoil your painting. But you know what, guys, I like to take, do something that just out of the norm. I really wanted to see where this was gonna end up, and I do love it. The orange and the yellow, beautiful. And if you guys notice, I did use two different brands of paint here for this straw blowout. I use DecoArt Ready to Pour True Blue, and I mixed that with the Bright Blue by Artist Loft, and it create those lacing. And then I use the Artist Loft Ready Mix Pouring Paint in orange mixed with the Ready to Pour paint by DecoArt Bright Yellow and Neon. Guys, when you mix those two ready mix paints together, it's gonna create beautiful lacing, and I do love it. I am so happy with this one. It is like so amazing. Do love how bright and beautiful the colors are. And of course, here it is, dried and on my fireplace. One thing with these ready to pour paint, guys, they dry super shiny. There's no varnish or there's no resin on this, but the colors dried really beautiful and just so bold. Love the color combination, love everything about this piece, love the whole 3D effect as well. Let me know what you guys think about this one. Of course, would you like to see me do more different colors? Let me know in the comment section below. And of course, guys, do have a beautiful start of your week, and you know what, God bless you all, and I really do appreciate you, and I will see you next time on Camilla Moy Art. Bye.